All right, so this is just a quick little video on this belt holder. It just came in today. Had to hurry up and get it put up because I was tired of looking at my buckle down belts just laying all over my room. But this belt holder is nice, and I'm here to tell you, it may look like it's not made well, but it is. It's made very well. Extremely well. I'm not sure what kind of plastic this is. I'll look it up and put it in the description. I'll also put the link in the description so you guys can go pick one up if you need it. But I do have a lot of these belts, and I needed something real bad to organize them because I hate them just laying around. They are, I would say, quite expensive for what they are, but they're not astronomical. But yeah, I got a Harry Potter belt, Nightmare Before Christmas, Venom, Monopoly, another Venom. I guess I'm a little corny, but I like what I like. I'm actually wearing one of the Harry Potter belts right now. So, yeah, here we are. Just a little quick review. I'm going to pick you up one. Make sure you hit the like button, follow and subscribe. And to the next review. See you guys later.